I'm Colby Hansen, and Sammy is my sister.
I'm Anthony Hansen. Sammy is my daughter.
I'm Jackie, and Sammy's my stepdaughter.
In the last century, homosexuals have become more open with their relationships. To make this lifestyle less isolated, the United States government should legalize gay marriage in all 50 states. Since they don't already, the U.S. government is acting unconstitutionally. There are different sections of the Constitution that forbidding homosexual marriage. According to U.S. District Judge Vaughn Walker, these sections are the Due Process and Equal Protection Clause. The U.S. government is also missing out on opportunities to make money. Weddings can be charged in multiple ways. These are marriage licenses, the marriage penalty, and a decreased cost in state benefit programs. The marriage penalty is when a couple pays more for taxes because of being married. Banning gay marriage has other dangerous effects. It makes life difficult for those involved with the lifestyle. It's hard on families because families struggle to stay together after being persecuted. It's hard on couples because they're bullied by other ignorant adults. And it's hard on children because they're bullied by other children that are led to believe homosexual marriage is wrong. The children are also affected because if no legal relationship is established, the child cannot be sure that they will be receiving support from the non-biological related partner or an inheritance if that partner were to die without leaving a will. The American Journal of Public Health found that by banning gay marriage, people suffered a 37% increase in mood disorders, a 42% increase in alcohol use disorders, and a 248% increase in generalized anxiety disorders. This shows that clearly we have an issue. A June 2014 study showed that children raised by same-sex couples scored about 6% higher than the general population on measures of general health and family cohesion. Ezra Klein wrote, "We should be begging couples to adopt children. We should see this as a great boon that gay marriage could bring to kids who need nothing more than two loving parents." The U.S. has 115,000 children waiting to be adopted, so why not let homosexual couples adopt them? Now, one of these ignorant adults may argue that homosexuality is against the Bible, but so are a lot of other things. For example, eating cheeseburgers because they contain fat, eating bacon because it's pork, wearing polyester because it's a blended fabric, creating metal gods, getting tattoos, and many more. To fix all of these issues, every state should be required to legally acknowledge homosexual marriage. To do so, the U.S. federal government will pass a bill to legalize gay marriage in all 50 states. Each state will be required to allow homosexual marriages the same rights as heterosexual marriages. According to a General Accounting Office assessment made in 2004, there are 1,138 benefits, rights, and protections available to married couples in federal law alone. An example is filing a joint tax return to reduce a tax burden, or having access to family health coverage. They also have access to protection if the relationship ends. This is child custody, child support, and equitable division of property. The IRS and U.S. Department of Labor also recognize married couples, but not domestic partners, for the purpose of granting tax, retirement, and health insurance benefits. On October 2, 2009, New York Times estimated that same-sex couples denied marriage benefits will pay an additional $41,196 to $467,562 in expenses over their lifetimes. This plan will work for a number of reasons. These states cannot deny these rights to homosexual couples because federal laws are stronger than state laws. This is found in the Supremacy Clause in the Constitution. These rights these couples will receive are already in place. Therefore, nothing will have to change but the amount of couples. I don't believe this is too much to ask for. Heterosexuals have the right to be happy, and so should homosexuals. The U.S. government should legalize gay marriage in all 50 states.